Clearly, disaggregation and white box have been changing the nature of data networking for the last 12 years or so. The idea behind them is that customers are able to buy a hardware switch of their choice and install a network operating system that fulfills their needs. This disaggregated approach reduces costs but, more importantly, provides great flexibility for future software upgrades and extensions with new features.
At this point, the open source SONiC, software for open networking in the cloud from Microsoft, is the most popular open source NOS, being developed by a community of network market leaders like Broadcom, Edgecore Networks, Dell, Nvidia, Intel, and others.
Hello and welcome to the first certified SONiC training. I am Volker Scheel.
And I am Kamal Bhatt, and we are the course instructors. So let's find out together why you should join us and learn SONiC.
According to IDC forecasts, SONiC will grow into a data center switch market worth $2 billion in 2024. By 2025, 40% of organizations that operate large data center networks will run SONiC in production environments. Thus, the demand for SONiC system administrators will be higher and higher.
So, do not wait too long and master your networking expertise and enhance your knowledge of SONiC with us. In short, let's dive into the course content and let's find out what you will learn during our SONiC course. After an introduction to SONiC, we will talk about the installation and initial setup. We will learn about the CLI and learn about configuration and monitoring around interfaces, redundancy methods, and routing protocols. We will also discuss troubleshooting methods and automation, management, and monitoring.
We offer everything you need for your daily development and testing tasks. You will gain not only theoretical knowledge, but also hands-on experience. After you finish all modules in the SONiC course, you will be able to attain a certificate of completion.
When you join our training, in addition to video lessons, you will get a lifetime access to the member-only community, where you can ask questions, share your wins, and your progress. Additionally, at the end of this course, we will show you an easy way to monitor network devices, such as routers and switches that are running SONiC network operating system, using the best open source network monitoring exporter for SONiC.
We are here to support you, answer your questions, so if you want to join the SONiC training, we look forward to meeting you inside the program.